Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the Jellycom foldable keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad. Yeah, here we have it. It doesn't look like a keyboard, and that's because of course that it's foldable. It looks like this thing here, but when you open it, it looks almost like a full-size keyboard. Isn't that insane? And when you compare it to what I had before, you can see that it has almost exactly same size, same dimensions. Isn't that crazy? I mean, here we are talking about these totally old-fashioned, outdated keyboards. I mean, they have been working or are still working, usually working with proprietary 2.4 gigahertz dongle, but they come with a lot of disadvantages. In particular, of course, the small size of the touchpad, then the mouse buttons, which sometimes are here. I cannot even figure out which one is left, which one is right, and then how the keys are arranged, and many more problems. Now I had even some problems using some of the keys because they didn't work correctly anymore. So that was the reason why I wanted to make an upgrade, and this is definitely a huge upgrade. I'm going to show you a little bit how this works. It works in two ways. You can use it like this with Bluetooth. You just turn it on here in the back, move this button to the left side, and then you press long, and then you see this Bluetooth flashing. Hold the key until the Bluetooth is flashing. I have already connected it to this Windows system here, and it took me just about 15 seconds to connect it with Bluetooth. By the way, the Windows 10 has recognized this as keyboard 3.0, so it was super easy to connect, and whenever I turn it on, I can use it right away. So when I go a little bit down, you can see I can move around my finger here, and you can see the pointer moving around easily, and the keyboard is really good. It's very accurate. I would say definitely huge upgrade compared to such a style. But we can also use it wired. If you don't have Bluetooth, or you don't want to connect it with Bluetooth for some reason, you can connect it just with your normal USB outlet of your PC, and then it's also recognized. Just takes a couple of seconds to install the driver. You don't have to do anything, at least not on Windows 10. It works fully automated. You just wait for the confirmation where it says that the keyboard is ready, and you can use it like this. And so it's charging, and you can work at the same time. That's really cool. You cannot have it attached like to a power bank and charging while you're using. That's not working, but you can attach it like this to your PC, and then it's working like that. And when it's fully charged, you can remove and then keep working with Bluetooth. So everything works on the fly. You can switch it in, switch it out, so very flexible. So everything has been working good so far. Of course, it's not a Windows 10 keyboard, more like a generic keyboard which works for Android, iOS, Windows 10, Mac OS, and almost everything. So some of the keys are not like Windows 10. You don't have this window key here. Instead of that, you have the command key here, but still it works. You can do everything. For example, you can open the file explorer directly from here, then go back to the desktop also with these commands, run some commands. So you can see you can do everything. Of course, also some other keys you have to find, like the escape. It's where it should be here in the left upper corner, but you cannot directly hit. You have to use the function key. So a couple of keys are a little bit more difficult. Also the F keys are a little bit hard to see, but the good thing is the F1 is on the 1, the F2 is on the 2, so it's everything really easy. Even though it's a little bit hard to see, you will figure out where it is. That's no problem. So if you need help, like with the F1, Fn, and the 1, there are even some multimedia keys built in, like the volume up, volume down, fast forward, back. There are a lot of things built in here, so it needs a little bit of time to get used to it, but I would say we'll find most of the things we really need. huge upgrade to this. The only thing which I'm missing here a little bit is the illumination, but most of the letters or the keys are very good visible. And the touchpad is really advanced. We have even some multi-touch. We can zoom in and zoom out, and we have some special functions, especially with Windows. Let's say if you want to see the desktop, you can just pull down with 3 fingers and then you see the desktop. There are many shortcuts already built in. The left and the right mouse button you can access directly from here, but if you don't want to look down, you can use the left mouse with 1 click here. It has normal click capability everywhere here, and with 2 fingers you can use the right mouse click. You can see we have the context menu, and if you want to see how good it is to type, I can show you that a little bit here. Yeah, I hope you have been able to see that. So if you're a little bit used to that, you can type almost as fast as on a normal keyboard, let's say on a laptop keyboard. So definitely a huge advantage. And we still have the small size. Yeah, a really nice thing for me. Definitely works. I can highly recommend that. It even has these soft rubber feet, where it's really stable on a normal surface, of course not on a laptop. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link where you can buy it down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.